All right, so we're going to get to this battery. Let's show you how to do it. This is actually a cover. So you got to take the back side off first. That slides into it. Same like cell phone stuff. That's all it is. That's what this is. Right? You pop this guy completely out. You have to get the sleeve off. Right? Show you. Just the sleeve. It's a cover. It's cool. There you go. Cute. Really is cute. It's a cover. So you pop this guy out very carefully, Wesley. Right, this goes in like a little sleeve. But we don't care. We want this guy. We want to replace the battery. And how do we do it? Got to pull a valet key out. Pop her out. And pretty easily pry in between these two. You can probably even do it with your hand. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Pop her open. And here we have... Dun, 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 dun. Very carefully, kid. Very carefully. Very carefully. A 2450. There you go. Carefully put her back. Pop the top. Line her up. Line her up. Line her up. And there you have it. Valet key back. And I was never here. Right? There you go. One-hander. I'm doing a one-hander. Done. Now you can put her back in here correctly. It's actually pretty cool. It's a little sleeve, little cover. You get the idea. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe.